Service Hub 2S comes with the device itself, camera, pen, 8-pot microphones, and 2 speakers on the top left and right hand corners. It means that we only need this all-in-one collaboration hub to run a complete meeting. Like some common digital whiteboards, Service Hub 2S empowers collaborations anytime, anywhere. Yet, unlike those common digital whiteboards, there are 5 key highlights that make Service Hub 2S stand out from the crowd. 1. Ship-to-cloud security, which is also in all Service devices, as I just mentioned. From firmware or BIOS to apps, we have tools to monitor, manage, and secure endpoints against potential vulnerabilities. Again, unique to Service only. This is particularly crucial when we see more and more cyber attacks targeted at firmware level. 2. The most widely used productivity OS. It comes with its unique Windows 10 Team OS and is optimized for running any productivity apps. 3. Collaboration anywhere. Users can collaborate with users seamlessly on Whiteboard and other Office 365 apps. 4. Multitasking across applications. It runs up to 2 apps at once with multiple other apps running in the background and allows simultaneous split-screen collaborations. 5. Highly portable. It can be plugged in or unplugged once fully charged, and it will support up to 2 hours of town halls or team meetings being unplugged. We must talk about the Microsoft support team here for you. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, user can reach out to Microsoft account team for troubleshooting in software or hardware. We'll also deliver end-user training to ensure users are maximizing values with the investment of our collaboration hub. Speaking of training, let us show you an example of how a project manager may use Service Hub 2S in real life. Okay, let's get the meeting started.
Hello, Phoebe.
Hi, Tiffany, how are you?
Good.
Cool. So for the service marketing discussion, I've actually prepared a Word document. Let me quickly show you. This one, how do you think? We have the stakeholders and the earning milestones.
Oh, pretty good.
Cool. So I think the next step is that we will do some brainstorming together. Because for sure we need to discuss the milestones and further details.
Let's discuss in the Whiteboard app.
Right, instead of starting from scratch, let's save time and use something that's already prepared.
Oh, I can already see the whiteboard you created at my home. Oh, right now I will add some sticky notes and also some image.
Cool. This is it. Let me zoom it out. Right, we have already got the timeline, and I would be sharing for Tiffany. You'll need to perhaps manage the stakeholder for us. As for me, I will do the earnings report. So feel free to also edit at your side, Tiffany.
Okay.
Cool. So this is also the floor plan. Let's do it together. Because we're actually having a launch event very soon, so we may as well just draft the floor plan first. This is it. Cool. So for a floor plan, right, you're saying it very clearly. Yeah, maximum 50 people, and I want to keep the social distancing too, so let's not do it too crowdedly. Cool, I think we're okay, we're good that we can actually share with the team and discuss further. So for now, it's definitely with you. So let's do some follow-up.
You can check out the project template I put under the table. So I have typed the ideas in the sticky notes.
Right, I saw that. Thanks for being so efficient. Stakeholders management. I'll leave it to you. Assign it to Tiffany. Right. So I think we're good. And for me, I will actually be working with some other teammates to brief them. This is for me. Teams management. I'll assign it to myself. Cool. Then we're done. Apart from the two of us, definitely we need to keep the team posted. So let's also post it to Teams. Find our Teams. Find our channel. Post it. Right, now we're good to go. Is there anything that you'd like to mention to Tiffany?
Oh, thanks a lot, Davey. I'm good. I've already seen the summary.
Cool. Then we're good to go. Let's call it a day then. We'll see each other very soon then.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Cool.